Hello, and welcome to the third edition of the workshop on machine learning and data simulation for Dynamical Systems. My name is Rossella Arcucci. The workshop is being organized by the Data Learning Working Group at Data Science Institute of Imperial College London. MLDADS collects contributions from the fields of machine learning, data simulation, and dynamical systems. And this year, we received a lot of amazing contributions. But before leaving you and joining the talks of our speakers, please just give me 1 second to say thank you to the International Conference on Computational Science for hosting us this year, to our program committee, our reviewers, our speakers, and a special thanks to my collaborators. And I want to leave you with a quote of Albert Einstein saying, "The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination." And this is because when you try to build bridges among fields, this is what you really need, imagination. And this is our approach. I look forward to meeting you next year, hopefully in person, for the 4th edition of the workshop, and hope you will enjoy the talks. Thank you very much, and bye.